Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Jeep Wrangler and this is by Tomica or Takara Tomy. So before I unbox this one, I just want to tell you one thing guys. So right now I'm having around like I think 820 subscribers if I'm not wrong. So one thing is I'm looking at the overview, I am seeing a lot of people who didn't actually subscribe. So my one request is for you two guys subscribe and support me. That would really help me out a lot. To be very frank with you guys, I'm not a rich guy to buy all these things. So if you guys subscribe and support me, that will help me out in a lot of ways. So try to subscribe and support. Okay, with that said, let's unbox this and see how it looks. So yeah, one more thing, this is 1/65 scale. So that's the one thing I really love about Tomica. They don't actually do 1:64 all the time. Okay, here it is. Here is the official Jeep logo. Okay, let's open it. Okay. So the first impressions of this Jeep is this looks really beautiful. The paint job looks really nice. And the wheels looks really nice. Again, the wheels are not rubber, it is made of plastic. I don't know if it, yeah. So this one is openable. I never thought I can actually open this, but I can able to open this one. So I love the way Tomica does this small things, the openable parts and all these things. Even if it is just a main line. This looks really beautiful. The paint job is nice. I don't see any irregularities in the paint job, only dust is there, but nothing much. Okay, the bottom part is made of plastic. Let's see if it has suspension. No, this one doesn't have any suspension. I really don't know based on what Tomica is giving suspension, and I see a lot of premiums also doesn't come with suspension, like the Nissan GTR which we unboxed, that doesn't have suspension. Let's open it one more time. Okay, these are actually made of plastic. Hope you guys can see the interior at least a little bit. Okay, yeah, it is not falling down, so it fits perfectly well. Let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll well, but personally I am not going to play with this, but Tomicas are supposed to be kept it in a showpiece, kept as a showpiece, so I'm not going to blame Tomica on this one, because it is not meant to be played on track. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.